was really unsure about how it would be, and everyone had said it would be really good. It was hard to put that into perspective, what people were saying. It's been amazing, and I'm so sad that it's over, and it's been so worth applying and has given me more perspective, opportunities and experiences than I had predicted or was expecting when I first applied. So I'm Ellen, and I run Firth Flock and Firth Flock Flowers in North Wales near Ruthin. So we sell pedigree stock to other breeders, and then also do a lot of showing with our best stock, and then any surplus goes to a local hotel, so we know exactly where it's going and we're able to utilise that local connection. Firth Flock Flowers is a flower farm and floristry business, all focused around utilising the waste products of the farm and kind of using the elements that were already there and adding value to build a bigger picture and a bigger business together. Just went for it and applied, and I had initially checked I'm autistic with ADHD, and I knew that that sort of thing would be a real challenge. To do all of the travel and be away from home and cope with all that would be really difficult. So I'd initially checked that would be all right, and that there would be kind of support and understanding there, which there absolutely was. So yeah, then applied with the help of my local development officer. It's very helpful and helped me do the application form, and then got an interview and was really excited and kind of went, oh, I might not get it, but actually it's really out of my comfort zone, but it could be a really good opportunity, and kind of just went for it really. We had this opportunity to see a huge range of places and systems and elements of the industry, not necessarily farms. But I think for me, the biggest things on that first trip, we visited some other young people who had built businesses through diversification within agriculture, who were not necessarily from a farming family and had taken that huge leap and made it work. From every visit, there's been something I've kind of come away that's been really, really valuable, whether it was, a dairy farm. Although that was never applicable to my business, there was always something I took away. When I initially applied, I thought, oh, this is not very good. I'm kind of going to have to leave a farm, and is it really worth the hassle? And actually, it's been so worth it, and it's really made obvious how important it is sometimes to have that time away and have that perspective of leaving and then coming back, and you come back kind of refreshed and seeing things with a new eye and with a new perspective. I was really unsure about how it would be, and everyone had said it would be really good, but I didn't know how. It was hard to put that into perspective, what people were saying. And actually it's been amazing, and I'm so sad that it's over, and I think it gives you such a well-rounded perspective of the whole industry, not just of dairy farms or sheep farms. It gives you the perspective of kind of food producers, food distributors, some people who have done farm diversification, some of the policy making and politics within farming, and some of the future legislation that's coming in. And it's not only focused on the farm, it's focused on all the elements within the farming industry that make a farm work. There's a bit of a tendency in agriculture to maybe kind of do what you've always done and be a little bit stuck in your ways. And so it's been really good in giving a very well-rounded perspective of all the different ways you can do it. It's been so worth applying, and has given me more perspective, opportunities and experiences than I had predicted or was expecting when I first applied.